Hi, in this short video, I'd like to go over two very important enhancements that were made to make searching names quicker and more reliable. These features can be found in the Expanded tab. So let's go to Expanded Search, and I'm going to look for the name Rivera. If I go down to my tabs, I have a search tab, as I always have, but now I have a show name directory option. Let's pick that option. In the name directory, the system's going to return every unique name of the search criteria that I entered. So we can see that all of these names are unique to the system and also give you a count or a tally of how many instruments these names appear. I can multi-select, or I can actually select them all if I choose. In this case, I'm going to go down and I'm going to begin to look for the name, the surname, or the given name, which is Norma. And I see Norma in my list. So Norma, I will select. I also see it entered with a first or middle name. And I also see it here as a hyphenated name, so that's another name that I would also be interested in seeing together. So with the system, I have tagged these three unique occurrences of what I believe to be the same name, and you can see there are many occurrences of them. Now I'll go up, and I'm going to say Get the Document, and now I'm going to go to my search results screen and see all of those names that I tagged together. They will be highlighted by the system and also show in chronological order, which is the order I really would prefer to see them because I believe them to be the same person. The other important enhancement is found in the search filters area. So if we go over here to the document type, you'll notice that there's a new category called unspecified, and there's a tally of 4. What the system is telling me is that out of these 22 instruments in my search results, 4 of these instruments did not have a kind code designation. This is often found in older data that may have been converted or never had a kind code designation. That's now important to me to have that in my list. So if I do want to filter this by, let's say, release of mortgage, and I wanted to see those 5, I would probably also want to see the 4 that are unspecified because they may, one of those 4 or so might also be a release. And if I look here, I do see that these first 4 don't have a kind code, but if I come over to the description, I do see a release of mortgage. And so that's a way to allow you to see those records that don't have a kind code. Important in your search. To go back, I would just hit name directory. If I want to go back to the name directory, if I want to start a new search, I click on new search and we start over. So I think you'll find that the name directory is an important option for those that are really concentrating on the surname or the start of a firm name, and you realize that over time those names appear slightly different in the database, and it's a way to group those together and make sure you don't miss them. I hope you'll find this video helpful. Thank you.